It's a little dirty, guys. Okay, the car's a little dirty. A lot has happened in the last couple months, and that I haven't really shown you guys really. If you're following me on Instagram, you knew I got a car, and you've seen tons of videos and pictures on it, so that's one reason to follow me on Instagram. But here it is. This is basically my official intro to the car. Real quick, let me roll some quick clips of the vlog of when I actually bought the car. I didn't really talk, I don't know why. Go.
I see it.
That's
just keep going straight. We're gonna go behind the wall.
guys, we just got a car. You don't want to race, man? You're cool. Oh, there's no top mount intercooler.
I don't know where we're going for lunch.
Mom, there's a WRX right there. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
She did, I just wasn't.
This is where the all-wheel drive comes into play. Blasting around here.
How is it not rolling? You were like turning, son. Yo, what up, dude? Same, exact same one. He's got
Now you're gonna have to do it at the same time. Oh shit! Clutch brake. Clutch brake.
Did it kill it?
Yeah, that comes.
Okay, now that you've seen that, I'm gonna explain everything about the car. It's really dirty. I have 2 hours till it's dark. Let me get a quick wash. So yeah, just finished washing the car. Let's start with the basics. This beautiful car, except for those rims, don't look at those. I'm changing them soon. By soon, I mean 1 year. So, this car is a 2005 WRX, Subaru WRX, I always forget to mention that. But yeah, it's fast. But again, I'm gonna try to get everything that's upgraded and stock. And oops, I just popped the trunk. Oopsie. Let's start with the exterior and engine. Let's look inside. It's probably all wet because I just washed the car. A turbo from a 2011 Subaru STI. So, new turbo. We got a blow-off valve. I don't know what kind. Parent intake. That's really good. You want that on your Subaru. Gretty strut bar. I'm pretty sure that's what that's called. And then the license plate we put right there because you can't block the intercooler, boy. There's no top intercooler on my car, so we have the front intercooler. These rims are off of a 1999 Forester, if you just want to know. But we got the STI wing, STI side skirts, STI hood scoop, and then as you see, it's like silver, and then the black. But yes, we have this. I love this wing. Makes the car look aggressive, which it is, boys. And let's see, this thing is what does all the magic. A-boom, a-boom, a-boom. Your boys on Reddit, got the Reddit sticker, Xander-Odom. Hang on, before we go into the interior, I added these. This is the first mod we did. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have known. These are bumper quick release. Now, interior. The first thing, stickers. Ooh, objects in mirror are losing, you know, because it usually says objects in mirrors are closer than they appear, so yeah. Okay, I need to slow down. So, we got a nice interior, double din, touchscreen, radio, love it. Turbo gauge right here, and then we got air to fuel ratio right there. This is a Greddy turbo timer. It basically turns off your car, like you turn off your car and it sets a timer and the car keeps running for 1 minute, and then after that minute it turns off. So like it's kind of weird. The thing looked cool. Can you please shut up thing, which I don't like because it doesn't stay straight. And I'm like, read. Black ice air freshener, the best. Oh right, we have the halo lights. Those change your car so much, let me just tell you. Actually, I have a mod list for you guys and my phone. You guys can pause this if you want, but basically that's it. So guys, I have so many plans for this thing. I'm gonna bring you all along with me so you guys can see all the mods I do to it. Some things I'm planning for are hella horns. There are 2 red horns and there are Subaru things, so just look them up, you guys can see them. Another thing are rims. I'm not telling you which ones I'm getting, but they're cool. I also want like rear diffusers on the bottom right there, and then vortex generators. They go right here. They're pretty cool. So yes, if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Hopefully I didn't forget anything, but oh gosh, voice crack. Black ice. Basically, so far we've had this thing for I think almost a month now. So far, this is the only bad thing. It's a little rust right there. And then also, we bought it like this. So this thing's like, but that costs $3 to fix, so we need to get that. Let me do one startup for you guys and a little revving. So let's get that. Guys, this is what I mean about the turbo timer. No key. It's counting down. You just hold it to turn it off. But you don't usually do that when you've been driving all day. You want to let the car cool down. But yeah, that's it. I'm sorry, neighborhood. So guys, if you guys enjoyed, you know what to do. Drop a like, subscribe, post notifications. Guys, peace out.